Hey guys, this is your market recap for Monday, May 18th. And just want to run through. Today was a really nice trending day. The volume was really low and the momentum was kind of slow, but it was a very distinct trend, and there were some nice opportunities to hop on it. I'll just run through the high probability setups we had. Here at about 9:42, we had a long setup back at our price area, mid-band LRC, or zero line, on the wrong side of the LRC, but we had plenty of room to it. Came up to the price resistance area, had divergence between these 2 points, and had a profit center somewhere in this vicinity of 93. So a few points on that trade. We came down back to actually retest this area, and we had a trend line. We had the mid-band zero line here, still on the wrong side of the LRC. So a small gift here. Broke down actually to the support level. It did change the momentum. We broke below the zero line, pulled back, did a bear flag here. So there was a short opportunity that you could have covered for just a small profit here at the support area. From there, we popped back up, got back above our areas, shifted all the momentum back up to the upside. High probability area here. This was a really nice long for about 3 points or so. Covered out our 61% extension that you can see we hit with really nice accuracy there. And from there, we pulled back. Momentum really slowed down here. We were still on the right side of the LRC, had the price area, went a little bit lower on our entry, but it was a nice entry nonetheless. Came up. This was another 61% extension from the last pivot. You had your first close opportunity with the divergence at resistance here, or if you held up underneath the LRC with another layer of divergence, there's another sign for you. We came down again to the mid-band and LRC. The mid-band and zero line, and we also had the price area. We were a little closer to the LRC here, but if you held through, you were rewarded to the 100% extension. One thing we talked about, this was actually during our live class, the momentum was excruciatingly slow right here, and we were at the area. We had the mid-band and the zero line. We were on the wrong side of the LRC, which was flat, and it was really close. We only had about a point to that area, so the risk reward was just thrown off, and the probability to break higher immediately was kind of a little bit lower. And you can see what happened. We actually went flat because of this LRC, which broke us down and did a measured move to the 61% extension, and it worked out really nice. I'm sorry, it was actually the 100% extension, popped down and did a V right off of this area, which showed that all of the down momentum was gone. So the only thing we could do is really anticipate the trend to continue. Didn't really give us a nice entry right here, but once we popped up, pulled back, once you tag the zero line here, also hit the mid-band and the price area, you had one more shot for a long. And again, the market was really slow through here, but it's nice if you're real patient and you like these trending days. Did a measured move right up to the 100%. So that was another, actually about a 6-point potential on this trade. So your exit could have been whenever the first time you hit the target, get out overextended, or at this point you have divergence if you're waiting to see if you're going to make a run for that next area, which we didn't with divergence. Had a little sell-off, maybe a point or so, and that was about it for the day. So overall, we had about a half dozen really nice trend setups. Again, our style is with the trend, with momentum, and we only take, if you want to call them counter trend trades, when our main time frame shows us a little bit of momentum down. We don't take double tops or anticipatory trades because you never know when a trade or when a trend, is going to reverse. So more times than not, when we play the probabilities, that is our edge. So again, if you stayed on the right side of the market today, and if you were looking at the best of the best areas, it was really hard for you to have a down day. It was really a profitable day for us. A little slow during our live trading class, but again, just phenomenal opportunity, even when the volume's a little low. So have a great day.